It's meeting time. It's time for the meetings. You ready for this? Bring the sunlight in. Rise and shine! Christian, there's fireworks! Christian! There are fireworks! I'm not sure why.
Oh my god,
but there's fireworks.
There's a lot of smoke.
There is a lot. Well, that was not planned.
What is the occasion?
I don't know, Diwali?
What do the election results about?
Nah, dude. Yeah, Greg Abbott wins! Greg Abbott wins! Alright. Oh no! Oh, hey. Still going on. Fireworks. Oh! Look at those.
Some of those were really close to the ground.
Okay.
Ooh, who's gonna clean that up?
Oh, it's not done yet. Whoa! Big finale! Big finale! Ooh, 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 whoa! Whoa! I think it's over. That's a very long fireworks display for no reason. That was the longest non-explained fireworks display I think any of us have ever seen. Well, now
That was a
back to the show.